These look like they might be wood blewits. I'm gonna have to do a spore check to make sure. It's got a couple cut right there too. These are some bigger ones of the same kind. I found another batch over here. I just cut this one. I got some in here. I cut a couple of those. So these are the blewits. I'm just waiting for a spore print. I'll wait overnight. These are a little big. Let's see, take a look. Some bugs on this. There's not much. I think it's good inside. Here's another one. There's probably smaller ones like underneath. You gotta look underneath stuff like this. Nothing there. There's some right here. Yeah. There's more out here, I believe. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna check the spore print of the blewit. Put this on black paper for the night and cover it. And it should be like a light pink, pinkish type color, beige. And I think we got it. There's our spore print. So these are the blewits, and I did a spore print on them, and it shows right. These are a little older. There was some that I had to throw away because they were definitely too old. But you can see a small one right here. It's more purplish. And that's how they change. And I do have a couple other smaller ones like right here. I'm gonna cut this one up and test it. I haven't eaten these yet, so whenever you try a new food or wild mushroom, these definitely have to be cooked. You can't eat these raw. And you just try a little bit and wait a few hours or so and try a little bit more, make sure you're okay with it, and after a day go ahead and eat them. I can see by this pattern in here, I'm looking at some of the other videos, look really, that's how they look inside. So I'm going to cook this up. And take a look how the gills are on this. They're tight. This is a bigger one. The way they fork down here or whatever, you can definitely see there's a pattern to it. This is a good one to look at also. I should just cook them all up right now. A little bit of olive oil. I'm not going to use garlic or any spices. I want to taste what they taste like. Alright, I had 2 little pieces of it. It tastes pretty good. I think I overcooked them a little bit, just to be safe. Blewit. Awesome. Here we go. So I've had this going for 3 days now. I just keep adding fresh mushrooms, and I use cans of soup to put just a couple cans in with the stock. I just set it on warm. We've got another batch. This is probably the last batch. So there's the last of the freshies that I got. I call them little freshies. I sliced them all up. And they'll be ready in a few hours. This is tonight's soup. So if you get bored of eating this, all you do is just let it cool down, put it into packages, and freeze it. And these will keep.